guys, and welcome back to the Animal Papa channel. Today I'm here with my right hand man, the Animal Papa.
Hello everybody, how are you?
Today we're doing how to set up a wild turtle tank. What would you like to explain, Animal Papa?
Well, we had a bass in this tank that we actually did a couple feedings with, which you probably seen on video, which is pretty cool. But then I went out to rescue a couple of turtles on the boat, which I'm sure you've seen that video too. So we had no room for the bass, so I let the bass go. And now we're gonna work on this tank here. It's a 50-gallon long. It's got the light, filter, rock. We got sand here. We got some other decorations or accessories, like Junior would say, to set up the tank.
Yep.
And this is the first stage, and stay tuned. We're going to show you the second stage when it's ready to put the turtle, well, when it's close to putting the turtle in. And then we'll show you the final stage when we put the turtle in.
Yep. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, this is still stage one, but we're just going to show you. We're emptying out this water.
We're doing a big overhaul, as you can see, pretty much at least a 50% water change, maybe more.
Yeah.
And then we're going to clean out the sand right here.
With this water.
We're going to make a nice beach area so you can bask on. And then we're going to, beach area, filtration, some rock on the bottom. And I think that is it.
I'm being a lazy cameraman right now. Alright guys, stay tuned.
We're back. Junior is cleaning out the sand. As you can see, we got a couple accessories over here, some driftwood, some plants, some rock for the lava rock for filtration. As you can see, we put the filter on that side as of right now. And Junior's gonna be lowering this sand into the one area. Junior, show them where you're blowing that into.
Okay. Let me move this really quick. Let me move this out of the way for myself. Get some of that water out because we don't want that nasty water in.
We're going to be lowering into this area. We're going to build up this whole area right here as a beach area.
It's going to be a little mucky at first looking. But
it'll be mucky at first, but it'll clear up. It'll take a few days maybe to really clear up. But actually sand is good for filtration too. That's why it's on the bottom of the lake. It actually helps with all the filtration in the lake. All right, just wanted to show you this process of Junior lowering the sand in. We'll be back when we have that beach area done. Stay tuned to the next one.
Alright everyone, we're here with step 2. As you see, we made a pretty nice basking area, everybody. Nice sands, looking pretty good. And we're just getting all this dirty water out. We're gonna put some nice clean cycled water in. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. Got anything to say, Animal Papa?
No, but everybody wants to see Junior. Everybody asks for Junior, so I gotta show Junior.
I'm here.
And like I said, what are we doing?
We're
making a nice
turtle tank
for these wild painted turtles that we rescued on the last video. I don't know if the last video, the last couple videos ago.
One of them.
And this is it. We're going to take all this dirty water out, cleaning the sand out. And we'll put some new water in there. And then we have all the stuff we're going to put in. And as you can see, like Junior said, we got all this water right here coming out. And we'll be back with the next step when this water is pretty clear. Stay tuned. Alright
guys, we're back. We're doing a little bit of we're putting hose water in. We're going to put some actual cycled water in a little bit. And we're
some hose water and we're like
cycling it, making till it's clean.
Coming out till we get it clean. Till we get it spotless.
Right, Animal Papa?
Yes.
Look how
we got a beautiful basking area there.
Nice rock.
We're probably going to let it cycle for a week after this with some cycled water, and then we'll probably be back to put them in there. But as you can see, this is what we're doing. Water's going in, water's coming out. If you see it getting, show them how it's getting cleaner. It's getting cleaner, so it's just cleaning the sand, basically.
Yeah.
And we're going to do this a few times, and we'll fill her up, put the decorations in, and put the turtle in, and we'll be back, and that'll be the final stage. Show them the basking area one more time. I think it's a pretty cool basking area. Right?
Yep, Animal Papa.
All right, Junior, I think we're going to be out. Stay tuned to the next one.
Stay tuned to the next part, guys.
We're back with this turtle tank. Almost done. Pretty much done. All we got to do is put this turtle in here, and that's it. We got this nice basking area, as you can see. It's all sand right out of the lake, so that makes this water pretty much cycled already. We got that nice light UVB and UVA for him. We got this filter coming out here. We got some lava rock in there. We got the pad in there. And we got this little tree with another big piece of lava rock underneath, which helps with the filtration. We got a nice piece of driftwood there.
Water that's almost clean.
And water that is almost clean. By tomorrow it'll be clean, but Junior and me are going to put this turtle in there right now. Junior, grab this turtle. Let's go.
This is going to be easy, hopefully.
Oh, we got no light. We forgot we turned off the light. You got him?
I got him.
All right, let's see him. Let's look at him. Go bring him in the room.
Oh. He's very pretty. Look at him.
Look at how beautiful that painted turtle is. He came out of the wild. We
Nice
rescued
white.
him, as you seen on a video a couple videos ago. And we're gonna put him into his new home.
Put him in the basking area.
All right, Junior, throw him in the basking area. Don't throw him, but
Hopefully.
place him in the basket.
there he
Oh,
goes.
right in. He dove right in.
You can probably see it from the top or something.
Do you see him or no?
Oh.
It was a
from the top.
little cloudy.
You see it from the top. He's gone.
All right, we will be doing an update on this tank once this water clears up. Right, Junior?
Yep.
We want to show you this beautiful setup that we set up with the nice basking area.
Oh, there he is.
You see him?
Yeah, he's right
Where?
there. Right, go from the top. Go from the top.
Oh, there he is, right there. I don't know if you can see him on camera. But we will do an update on this guy in about a week. Or maybe a little longer, just when his water is crystal clear. All right, Junior, on that note, I think we're going to be out.
All right, guys. See you guys in the next video.
Take care. Till next time.
Peace. All right, guys. We're back for a final part, actually. Because we could actually see him. There he is, guys. Getting a little oxygen. Chilling. Loving life. You can't see him there from there. Oh, there he goes. All right, guys. Just want to update you on that. See you guys on the next video.